Hello everyone. So from my last two videos, you have noticed that we are doing a C++ GUI build. I got the final video done today. It was about 45 minutes long and it went through the last the last one widget and the last two files that we would need. That file being mainwindow.h and mainwindow.cpp. It took me about 45 minutes to get everything done. And when I finished my recording, I did not save my file. And unfortunately, right now I have more work to do. So I just don't have the option of going back and recording the entire video. So instead, I'm just going to pull the folder that's already on my GitHub, which I already created, and we can just go through that. It's a little different, but basically the same. So we still have all our basics item classes, such as the item list, the item itself, the item reader, item writer. The only thing different from the last video and today's video would be this main window right here with few of its own public functions, public slots, private members, and the main window.cpp or the .implementation file. We won't be going through all of this, but if you do want to see it, just head over to my GitHub. We go into our main.c++, and this is how we run our code. Control R, and we get our final widget. We call it stock editor. It has a little stuff about it and it doesn't have that much. It has a file, an edit, an OSXACR, which stands for open, save, exit, add, change. R is remove. If we were to go to add, and let's say we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and give some item, let's say PS5, and we give it a stock of 1 and a price of 15,000. Press OK. Okay, it just added an item. We can do that again. Let's add another item. Let's go chocolate cereal. And that should be the barcode. Let's go barcode of 1122. A stock of, let's go 100. And we all know that cereal costs more than PS5. That's why it will be 15,500. And we can hit OK again. Doesn't really do much. Well, it does what it intends to do. It adds an item. We can go ahead and save, and we can choose a file to save to. I saved it. We can then go to File, or actually anywhere here where there's a .o option, and open a file. We can open a file. And there we go. We open a file and notice it's not only saved it, but it opened that file that we saved. And for some reason, I seem to have gotten my my spacing incorrect, but that's fine. And that's the thing. So my final project, some of the functionality that was intended for me to do, I did not get right. And some of the things I was intended to do, I could not do at a time constraint, unfortunately. My final mark was 75% out of 100. It is what it is. So now we can do an exit, and it closes the dialog. Press return to close window, and that's it. And that is the end of the video.